bit. First, though, we have new details tonight in a First Alert 6 exclusive. There's a plea deal on the table where an accused killer wouldn't have to go to trial. The family of Mary Kay Hesse, who was just 17 when she was stabbed to death in the 1960s in Wahoo, is not thrilled about the lesser charge. Saunders County Attorney tells First Alert 6 investigates she anticipates filing an amended plea as early as tomorrow. Mike McKnight, who has covered this cold case for decades, talks with the family about their concerns for the deal.
In March 1969, Mary Kay Hesse had been stabbed more than a dozen times and her body dumped in a snowy Saunders County ditch. But in more than 55 years, the case didn't go cold.
I just want her to rest.
The victim's closest living relative says a plea deal has caused family unrest with the legal system. Kathy Tull and her husband both say the lead investigator told them that 77-year-old Joseph Ambrose will likely plead on Thursday to a conspiracy to commit murder charge, and based on 1969 law, that might carry a sentence of a few years, if not months, in prison with time served.
They didn't ask anything, how we felt about it, nothing. They're just going to do it. Aren't they supposed to be for us and Mary?
In several court appearances, Ambrose appears to have serious medical issues.
I just don't get why they drop it so far down. Unless they just want to get him out of there. They don't want to pay for it, probably. Healthcare costs money.
So does DNA testing, and Kathy claims that one more result hasn't been completed.
So what happens if that DNA comes back and they've accepted this plea? Then what?
As First Alert first reported, investigators exhumed the body of Mary Kay Hesse last year for more modern examination. The arrest of Ambrose came just 2 months later. You signed the papers to have her body exhumed. You were there and saw her being exhumed.
Yes.
Are you now second guessing that with this plea deal?
Would it have been necessary to have done that and gone through that if we'd have known they were just going to give him this? I feel like he's getting a slap on the hand.
For decades, Kathy Tull has been collecting memories of a case she never once forgotten, like the gold cross that she believes Mary Kay Hesse wore the night of her murder. But she says whatever paperwork comes from a plea deal for the accused killer will be hard for her to keep.
Maybe it's not over. I gotta believe.
Mike McKnight, First Alert 6.
The lead investigator in the case referred questions to the county attorney. County Attorney Jennifer Jochum tells Mike that there were some tough decisions to be made about this case and says she's truly sorry the family is not happy.